Hey everybody, sorry I couldn't be there today. Um, my son got a wonderful stomach bug and then was nice enough to pass it on to me. So I should be back tomorrow. I have new seating charts and everything for tomorrow too, so we can figure all that out then. Today, December 2nd, what we're going to be doing, learning goal, I can identify evidence of physical changes. So, we're going to be talking about physical and chemical properties today, and we're also going to take a look at physical and chemical changes vocab. Everything that we're doing today is going to be in our blue matter and energy folder. So, we're still working on our purple folder as well, and then when I go in there, we're going to be working with our orange folder and our red folder. In our orange folder, what we're going to be doing, we've already done our properties, we've got our wonderful songs and everything. What we're going to be doing is down here, our reading assignment for page 22 through 31. So if you click on that, just like usual, 3 attempts, I think it's 9 questions, 11 points. There's one question in there that's a little bit more difficult, so you got to really think about that one. I think it's the one with the chart and it's got bromine and a couple other things on it. That one is doable, but you need to be thinking the whole time, otherwise it's not going to work. So we've got a reading assignment for those pages. You can either use the online book or you can use the textbook over on the side counter. Then, once you're done with your reading assignment, then you can go into the red folder. And in the red folder here, we've got a new set of notes for physical and chemical changes. So here for physical and chemical changes, our notes look like this. We're only going to be doing the first 2 slides. We're going to do physical change and chemical change with definition, examples, non-examples, and a sentence. So just those 2. So we're just going to work with these ones. The rest of these slides down here we don't need to worry about yet. We're just going to get our definitions and examples down for physical and chemical change. So you can use my physical change, chemical change, and physical and chemical change examples here to try and get those notes done. Tomorrow I'll give you my teacher copy of the notes so that we can take a look at that. Get your physical and chemical change notes, all these changes and everything taken care of, then you've got your reading done, you've got that done. Then you can go into science games folder, you can read a book, you can work on other homework that you have. There's lots of you that need to finish up your study islands. That would be a good thing to work on here too. But if you're working hard, that should take most of the hour for both of those things. And then tomorrow we'll get back started with a lab. I think I've got labs Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday this week. So we've got plenty of stuff to do. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.